This is the real Tom Rose, and we're asked to divide one polynomial by another. Now there is a polynomial long division process that you can use, where you take the polynomial x plus 4 and you can put it in there. If you want to see how that's done, Google polynomial long division, and that'll be a process. There's a faster way that I'd like to use here, which is to make the assumption that x plus 4 is in fact one of the factors of 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. The reason why I think that it's a factor is because when they ask the question, it says, what is this divided by that? Notice that the answer choices are all clean other polynomials. Right? So like I divide out this x plus 4, and what I'm left over with is a bunch of normal looking stuff. So meaning it doesn't, it's just another polynomial, right? So what that tells me is that it divides in evenly. We don't have a remainder or something like that. So I don't really need to use the long division. I can actually just assume that I can do a basic factoring of that polynomial. So that should equal, and I'm going to assume it's a binomial answer. So I'm already told one of the factors is x plus 4. So I just need to figure out the other one, which will have two numbers and a sign. Now, we know from foiling, we can basically FOIL this in reverse, right? When you FOIL things, remember that the two x terms, let's assume that this first term is an x term. When you multiply the two x terms together, you need to get the value of the x squared term, which is 2x squared. So what do we multiply x by to get 2x squared? Well, we need a 2 and an x. So there you go. There's your 2x. Now, if you want to check this, you can just write it out off to the side. So if, I'll put it over here. So if I take x times 2x, that equals 2x squared, which is what I was looking for. So that, right, that is the first term here. So I know that these two are the first terms. Next thing we need to do is we need to pick a number to be the second half of that right factor. And when you multiply the two numerical only parts of these binomials, that must equal the numerical only part of this original. So what number multiplied by 4 gives you negative 12? Well, that would be negative 3. And if you want to test that out, you can also do that over here. So let's just do 4 times negative 3 equals negative 12. Yes, that is in fact what I was looking for. So here we have our proposed factoring of the original polynomial. We have x plus 4 and 2x minus 3. Right, so you might write this way. Now to answer their question, what is this big polynomial divided by x plus 4? Well, that's easy. Divide both sides by x plus 4. That's what we just set up. So these will cancel out. And you have your answer. Here's the big polynomial divided by x plus 4, and there's the answer, 2x minus 3 sitting over there. So that is your fifth answer choice.